Hi everyone, welcome back to PSLE Math 2023 Paper 2 question series, and in this video, I'll be going to question 15. So let's take a look at it. So this is question 15, and this question is testing us on fractions and branching method. So let's read the question first. Maggie had some books. She donated 3/8 of the books and gave away another 24 books. She had 4/7 of the books left and packed them into 20 boxes. Some boxes contained 10 books, while the others contained 18 books. So, how are we going to do this? Part A. So, we need to do the branching method. So, we have books. We draw 3 arrows because there are 3 parts. First is donated, 3/8. Next, given, which is 24. And lastly, left, 4/7. So, it will be easier for us to find the given books and the left books if we make it into 56. So 3/8 is 21 over 56 and 4/7 is 32 over 56 as written. So we can take 1 minus 21 over 56 minus 32 over 56, which is 3 over 56. So let's write that down there. So 3 units is 24. Because we can see 3 over 56 is 24. So 1 unit is 24 divided by 3, which is 8. And 32 units, which is the left, 32 times 8, which is 256. So this is your answer for part A. Now let's move to part B. So same question, this is part B. How many boxes contain 18 books? So part B is actually teaching us on the assumption method. So, while using the assumption method, this method is what I recommend everyone to use. It's called AADD. So, what does this stand for? Let me write it a little bigger. A, D, D. What does it stand for? Let me write it down, explain. So, the first A is for assume. So, you must multiply and assume. The second A stands for assumed minus actual or actual minus assumed. It depends on which is greater and which is smaller. Then the first D is difference. And the second D is divide. So this is the 4 steps that we need to take. So let's do that in action. So assume all boxes contain 10 books. Assumption. 10 times 20 because there are 20 boxes and we are assuming that each has 10 books. So total will be 200 books. Then actual minus assumption or assumption minus actual is 256 minus 200. In this case, it is actual minus assumption, which is 56. Then 18 minus 10, which is 8. And then 56 divided by 8, which is 7. So this is your answer for this question, 7. So if you're wondering why you cannot assume that the boxes contain 18 books, the thing is you actually can. But at the end, you will receive the answer for the number of boxes that contain 10 books. So you need to do the extra step of taking the 20 boxes minus that number. So let's just show an example. So we assume all boxes contain 18 books. So 18 times 20 will be times 20 will be 360. Then is 360 minus 256, which is 104. Then same, we have 18 minus 10 equals 8. Then you take 104 divided by 8, divided by 8. Let me erase that. You should get 30. So you must do a last step of taking 20 minus 13, which is 7. So my recommendation is whenever they ask for 18 books, you always assume the opposite, 10 books. So let's just assume it's another duck and chicken leg question. If they ask for the number of ducks, you assume the number of chickens, and you will get the answer immediately. So this is your answer for this question. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.